teachers, we want to show you how you can use choice boards to help engage your students in their learning. So this is an option, and this is a pretty fancy one. This was taken from kind of a professional. So you can also take one of these choice boards that you can either find on the internet, or our district has a lot available that you can use to manipulate and change and make it your own. But what this is you can see that they have given the audience hyperlinks that are in here. So when the student clicks on them, it will take them to some different resources. So this one, for example, is a video. It also takes them to just different resources and things that they can choose which one they want. There is usually some sort of activity that the students have to do. So once they're done with doing their choices, they're going to demonstrate their learning in some way. So it says choose two of your favorite animal adaptions and sketch those animals. Talk about why you chose the animals and post in Seesaw. So this is an example of that. Another way that you might be able to do it is you might just be able to do this as simple as creating a table in a Google Doc. So if you just go to insert and table, and you can just kind of decide if you're really trying to make it simple, you can totally go ahead and do that. And when I make these, I just kind of make it a little bit bigger, and then I insert my pictures. Usually I like to put a picture of the resource in there for the students to see, so it kind of engages their learning so that they know what it is. Usually kind of just giving them a label as well, just saying what they're going to be doing here. Maybe they're reading this resource, or read, and maybe this one is going to be a video, so they're going to watch. And you notice in the other one, they did have the objective here, the topic and the objective, so that's a good idea to have as well. So this is going to be about the World Sphere. And then I'm going to also put my objective underneath so that my audience knows what I'm talking about. This is where we're going to have that. I'm going to put it at the bottom here, where the last piece. And this is where they're going to put their interaction or their sharing that they're going to do. Maybe they're going to do a Flipgrid and share their learning about what they've gone through in their exploring on that topic. So this is a wonderful tool that you can use for blended learning, for asynchronous learning, for even in your classroom if you're trying to do small groups, have your students work on this independently, and then come back and talk about the learning that they had, or point out some things that they did in that learning. So we hope that you can use choice boards to help your instruction in a remote and synchronous learning environment. Thank you.